Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by opening Brave and confirming it's up to date. This ensures sign in flow and security features behave correctly. You should have your Google email, password, and any 2FA device ready because you'll complete authentication right away. Once ready, navigate to Accounts. Google.com or click a Google service like Gmail. Make sure Brave's shields or cookie settings allow accounts. Google.com. Start the sign in flow now, so the browser can create or link a profile for that account. After the sign-in page loads, pick an existing Brave profile or create a new one to keep data separated. This matters because profiles control history, cookies, and sync. Enter your password and follow the two-factor prompts. If 2FA fails, use a backup code or alternate device. Make sure you allow cookies and site permissions for accounts. Google.com so tokens persist. Once authenticated, Brave receives the account token and will display your Google avatar. Confirm the correct account before moving. Finish by choosing whether to enable Brave Sync or only sign into Google services locally. Pick which items to sync, such as bookmarks and passwords, so your data follows you. Double-check Brave shields and cookie exceptions for Google.com and accounts. Google.com to prevent repeated prompts. If sign-in fails, clear cache and cookies for those domains, temporarily disable shields, or restart Brave and try again. These steps resolve most token or cookie conflicts and will let you complete sign-in reliably.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.